Hello students, this is your experiment number 17, that is to study morphological characteristics of antiseptics. For example, curcuma and neem. Then vitamins, example amla, and antirheumatics, that is colchicum. Okay, now first we will see the definition of these words antiseptic, vitamins and antirheumatics. Now what are the antiseptic? These are the chemical sterilizing substances which are used to kill the pathogenic microorganism or to stop their prevention of their growth. Okay, they are non-toxic and superficially applied on the living tissues, but the term disinfectant is applied only to those substances which are not directly applied to the tissues. ओके मतलब एंटीसेप्टिक जो लोशंस होते हैं, क्रीम्स होते हैं, वो हम डायरेक्टली स्किन टिश्यूज पे अप्लाई करते हैं, लिविंग टिश्यूज पे अप्लाई करते हैं. वेयर एज डिसइंफेक्टेंट जो होते हैं वो हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के ऊपर अप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, नाउ these disinfectants, they are used to decontaminate the drains and fecal matter and alters also for the sterilization of the instruments. For example, neem, turpentine and turmeric. Okay, second term is vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins, these are the substances such as which are considered to be essential for the maintenance of normal metabolic function of our body, but they are not synthesized by human body on its own and hence to be supplied from the outside sources. For example, amla, which contains vitamin C, and yeast, which contains vitamin B complex. Okay, now third term is anti-rheumatics. These are the drugs which are used to relieve or used in the treatment of rheumatism are known as anti-rheumatics. Rheumatism, in Greek word rheuma, which shows the flowing, and isomos, that is condition. It is characterized by the soreness and stiffness of the muscles and pain in the joints and associated structures including arthritis. Okay, here example for anti-rheumatics is gugul, salicin and nirgunda and jatamansi and colchicum. Okay, so out of these drugs we are going to study for antiseptic curcuma and neem. For amla, vitamin, we are studying amla, and for anti-rheumatics we will study the colchicum. Okay, now here you can see these are the diagrams of this drug. First one is curcuma. Okay, second one is also curcuma. This one is the fresh curcuma and this one is the dried curcuma. Then the leaves of the neem and amla here has shown. Okay, that was fresh amla, and here this is a dried amla has shown, and this is colchicum and colchicum. Okay, plant. Okay, so first I will show you these drugs. Okay, this is curcuma matlab haldi. Okay, this is neem bark. This is amla, dried amla, and this is colchicum. Okay, now we will go for the first drug, curcuma. Its synonym is turmeric, Indian saffron. In Sanskrit it is called as a haridra, or in Hindi it is called as a haldi, or you can call it as halda, and in Tamil it is manjal. Biological source of this drug is a turmeric. It consists of dried as well as fresh rhizomes of plant known as Curcuma longa, belonging to family Gingiberaceae. It contains not less than 4% of volatile oil. Okay, हल्दी में 4% से ज़्यादा volatile oil present होते हैं. Its species name is Curcuma longa and family is Gingiberaceae. Now we will go for the macroscopy, that is color, odor, taste, size, shape. Color, externally it is yellowish to yellowish brown, internally yellowish orange to orange color. Okay, odor is characteristic, taste is slightly bitter, size is 2 to 5 cm in length and 1 to 2 cm in thickness. Root scars and annulations are present. Shape, round turmeric rhizomes are ovate or oblong, while the long turmeric rhizomes are cylindrical and short branch. The fracture of rhizome is horny. Okay, here you can see this is the cylindrical shape of this rhizome. Okay, size is 2 to 5 cm in length and 1 to 2 cm in thickness. Okay, external color of this is yellowish to yellowish brown, but internally here you can see yellowish to orange, yellow orange to orange color is there, yellowish orange to orange color hai. Okay, now chemical constituents of this drug, that is turmeric. It contains volatile oil, resin, starch and yellow coloring substances known as curcuminoids. The yellow color of this turmeric is due to these curcuminoids. Okay, the chief component of the curcuminoids is known as a curcumin. Okay, the main chemical constituents of this drug is curcumin. Okay, now what are the other constituents of this drug? That is turmeron, zingiberine, borneol and caprylic acid. Okay, what are the uses of this drug? It is used as antiseptic, expectorant, coloring agent. Then it is used as a condiment or spices in curry powder. Curcuma rhizomes are extensively used in Ayurvedic and Chinese traditional medicines as stomachic, uretic and anodyne for biliary calculus and menstrual pains. Okay, आपको जनरली ये टर्मरिक का यूज़ तो पता ही है. इट इज़ यूज एज एंटीसेप्टिक, एक्सपेक्टोरेंट, कलरिंग. जब हमें कफ होता है तब हमें यूज़ करते हैं. जब हमें कभी इंजरी होती है तो उस इंजरी पे हम डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कुरकुमा पाउडर. ओके, चाइनीज़ मेडिसिन में ये यूज़ किया जाता है एज अ स्टोमैटिक, मतलब पेन, स्टमक पेन रिलीव करने के लिए. यूरेटिक मतलब टू रिमूव दी, टू इंक्रीज द फ्लो ऑफ यूरिन. ओके, नाउ सेकंड ड्रग इज नीम. Okay, the synonym of this drug neem is, it is called as nimba. Then you can call it as neem, limba, then can and behu. Okay, biological source of this drug is neem is a fresh or dried leaves and seed oil of Azadicata indica belonging to family Meliaceae. Okay, यहाँ पे हमें नीम लीफ भी आपको पता है और सीड ऑयल भी होता है. तो द प्लांट स्पेसीज नेम इज अज़ाडिकाटा इंडिका, फैमिली मेलियेसी. ओके, आई हैव शोन यू द बार्क ऑफ दिस नीम प्लांट. ओके, नाउ ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, दिस ड्रग इज एवरग्रीन प्लांट. इन ड्राइड एरियाज इट बिकम्स डेलिशियस. इट्स बार्क इज मॉडरेटली थिक विथ लॉन्जिट्यूडनल और ऑब्लिक furrows on the outer surface. The bark is dark grey outside and reddish inside. Okay, the flowers of neem appear for March, May and the fruits ripe during the June and August. The fruits are greenish yellow when ripe, then usually contain only one seed. The seed oil is known as margosa oil. It is acrid, yellow and bitter in taste and has an disagreeable garlic-like odor. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको मैंने ये नीम बार्क दिखाया है. Okay, here you can see. Okay, you can see the thickness of this bark. It is very thick one. Okay, the bark is dark grey outside and reddish inside. Okay, this is inside part of this bark and this is outside part of this bark. Okay, now what are the chemical constituents of this drug? The neem, it contains a bitter principle. It is known as nimbidine. Okay, so nimbidine or azadicatine, these are the main ingredients or the chemical constituents of this drug. The seeds are reportedly to contain up to 45% of oil. The active ingredients are azadicatine, salinine and meliantriol. The neem leaves contains nimbosterol and quercetin. The seeds contain azadicatine, salinine and meliantriol and meliacin. Okay, तो जो नीम प्लांट है इसके सब पार्ट्स हमें यूजफुल है. Okay, they are having activity on our body, therapeutic effect it is having. ओके, तो नीम प्लांट है, इसका हम लीफ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सीड भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और बार्क भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, नो व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ दिस ड्रग? नीम लीव्स एंड द नीम ऑयल आर यूजुअली यूज एज एंटीसेप्टिक एंड इंसेक्टिसाइड. Neem oil, neem bean and nimbidine are active against the various fungi. Okay, so you can use it as antifungal also. It is used as anti-insect also, have been commercialized in the form of herbicides and margocides. Okay, The drug is also attributed anti-fertility and antiviral properties and is being screened for efficacy in treatment of AIDS. Okay, मतलब जो नीम है वो हम एंटी फर्टिलिटी के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंटीवायरल एजेंट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और हम ये एड्स में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ थर्ड ड्रग इज आंवला. Its synonym is Ambelica, Indian gooseberry, Ambelic myrobalan. Okay, तो ये Indian gooseberry and Ambelica, it will be there for final exam also. Then biological source, it consists of dried as well as fresh fruits of the plant Ambelica officinale belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. आंवला आपको पता ही है, हम नॉर्मली विटामिन सी के लिए हमेशा खाते हैं, विच इंक्रीजेज आवर इम्यूनिटी. ओके, नाउ मैक्रोस्कोपी ऑफ दिस ड्रग. Color is green changing to light yellow or brick red when matured. Odor is none. Taste is sour and astringent. Size is 1.5 to 2.5 cm in diameter. Shape, fruits are depressed globose. Extra features, fruits are fleshy, obscurely 6 lobe with 6 trigonous seeds. They are very hard and smooth in appearance. Okay, this is a dried amla, you can see. ओके, इसमें से सीड रिमूव किए गए हैं कट करके और इसे ड्राई किया गया है. ओके, ड्राइड आंवला फ्रूट. नाउ व्हाट आर द केमिकल कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ दिस ड्रग? आंवला इज वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी. द फ्रूट लूज विटामिन सी कंटेंट मोर व्हेन dried in the sun than in the shade. Okay, tannins including gallic acid, ellagic acid and thymolabelin आर प्रेजेंट. आंवला फ्रूट जो है इसमें विटामिन सी बहुत 100% इसमें विटामिन सी होता है. अगर ये जो फ्रूट है ये हमने अंडर शेड ड्राई किया और अंडर सन ड्राई किया तो जो सन के अंडर हमने ड्राई किया है उसमें से विटामिन सी ज़्यादा लूज हो जाता है. ओके, सो इसलिए यू शुड ड्राई इट इन शेड. आंवला इज अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ पेक्टिन एंड मिनरल्स लाइक फॉस्फोरस, आयरन एंड कैल्शियम. ओके, सो दोज हु आर हैविंग डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस deficiency of these minerals, phosphorus, iron, calcium, should consume this amla. What are the uses of this drug? It is a drug, a popular drug constituting one of the ingredient of Triphala and Chyawanprash. Okay, it has been claimed to be useful in liver diseases and diabetes. For scurvy also you can use this for deficiency of vitamin C. Okay, so vitamin C is a Amla is the richest source of vitamin C. It is also reported to have antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral activities. Okay, now next drug is colchicum. It is also called as Indian colchicum. Its synonym is colchicum seeds. Biological source is consists of dried seeds of plant Colchicum luteum Baker family Liliaceae. Okay, color is dark reddish brown, pitted and sturdy. Odor is none, bitter and acrid taste. Size is 2 to 3 cm in diameter. Shape, the seeds are globular with strophoidal at one side and raphe on the other side. Okay, here you can see this is a colchicum seed. Okay, तो ये है raphe and this is strophoid on the other side. Okay, raphe मतलब ये जो आपको बीच में सेंटर में जो हेलुसिनेशन दिख रहा है वो है रैफी और जो पीछे के साइड है दैट इज ट्रेफॉइल. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी. Now what are the chemical constituents of this drug? Colchicum seed contains about 0.2 to 1% of total alkaloid. It is calculated as colchicine. The alkaloid present in the drug are colchicine and democolchicine. Okay, colchicine, colchicine, starch and about 5% of fixed oil is also present in the drug. Now what are the uses of the drug? This colchicum is used as in gout and rheumatism. Colchicum is used to cause polyploidy. It is used to in horticulture and in cultivation of the medicinal plants. Okay, now here you can see this is an observation table in which you have to mention color, odor, taste, size, shape of this drug and extra features of the drug. Now what is the conclusion of this experiment? With the help of the morphological characters given unknown crude drugs are confirmed to be curcuma, neem, amla and colchicum seed, etc. Okay. Here some questions are given that you have to solve it in your manual. Thank you.